Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Netwsw00.sys Blue Screen issue you're having on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this blue screen is attributed to the Intel wireless Wi-Fi link adapter, which controls your wireless connections on your device. So if you have various network drivers that are corrupted or out of date, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd suggest doing would be to go onto Intel's website and then, or just into Google actually, and search for your driver information. So if we were to open up the search menu, search for Device Manager, and open that up, expand the network adapter section, and there should be a network connection listed in here. Just take note of whatever is in here. Go into Google, type it in, and then go to Intel's website. Try not to go to a third-party website. Try and go directly to Intel. And if there's any new driver versions available, just download and install them. It should be an automated tool. So you can see if we double-clicked on a network adapter here and selected the driver tab, it'll tell us the driver version and the driver date. So if there's a newer driver available, it should be listed directly on their website. So something else we could try here too, if you're just having issues with your network adapter, would be to open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Before you select Reset Now, make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby, because once you reset your network and you restart your computer, you will need those to get back on the internet. So just take note of your Wi-Fi credentials and then select Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes, and then close out of here. Save and close out of any open programs or applications, and then restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.